Verifying your MoneyLion bank account involves confirming your identity and linking an external bank account for funding purposes. Here's how to verify your MoneyLion bank account. Download MoneyLion app. If you haven't already, download the MoneyLion mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Follow the prompts to create a MoneyLion account by providing your personal information, such as your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Verify identity. MoneyLion may require you to verify your identity by providing a photo of your government-issued ID and taking a selfie for facial recognition. Link external bank account. To verify your MoneyLion bank account, link an external bank account by providing the routing number and account number. MoneyLion will make small test deposits into your external bank account, which you will need to confirm to complete the verification process. Confirm test deposits. Once the test deposits appear in your external bank account, log into your MoneyLion account and confirm the amounts of the test deposits to verify your MoneyLion bank account.